Hello friends, welcome to your own channel on artificial intelligence and machine learning. In my Python programming playlist, I have taught Python programming. In this playlist, I am going to teach Python in a Q&A format, question and answer format. I will give you a question. As you can see, the first question is on the string variable. You have to answer the question, pause the video, try to answer the question, and then I will display the solution. So our first question is starting from very basics. It is on string variable. You have to create a string variable with a value having at least 10 characters. On that string variable, you have to apply certain string manipulation functions like lower, upper, count, find, split, replace, index, and partition. From the output, you have to understand the meaning of those functions and how they work. Some of the functions, as you can see, lower, upper, are very self-explanatory and you can easily apply them. However, some other functions, find, split, may be slightly difficult. So please pause the video, try to apply these functions and understand the usage of the functions. Okay, I hope you would have paused and solved these questions and you would have got the solution. In case not, let me now display the solution. So let us create a string variable. I have created a string variable str var and I have assigned the value string variable manipulation. Let me run it. I am now applying the split function, and if I don't know what is the usage of this, you can always use Shift tab to get documentation help. String var split function, here by default separator is none. I am passing a separator which is space. Return a list of words in the string using separator as the delimiter string. So here it is going to return me a list of words. So when I run this, it is separated by this space and this space. So it has returned back a list of words. The first word is string, variable, manipulation, and because it is enclosed in rectangular bracket, we can understand the return type is a list. I now demonstrate the partition function. Once again, Shift tab, partition the string into 3 parts using the given separator. It says that it is going to partition in 3 parts. What if string manipulation function has a 4th part and a 5th part? So if I run this one and now I see, so I get the 4th and the 5th part. But what happens if I would have done with partition? As the documentation said, it will return 3 partitions. The first is the string itself, second is the separator, and the third is the remaining part. So the first separator where it was found, the string got partitioned. Lower and upper, let me change this one. Okay, let it be. Lower and upper, as you can see, here you note I have used a print function. I have used plus to concatenate two strings. This converts the entire string into lower because the first print is for the lower, then second one is upper. Count, and here I'm specifying what needs to be counted. So if I want to know the documentation help, return the number of non-overlapping occurrences of substring in the string. Okay, and you can optionally pass a start and end index also. So here we are going to see the occurrence of S, and it says that it is 0. Why it is 0? I have this string S, but it is capital. So let us make this capital and now run it. It says 1. This S was a string. It was not a part of the function. And here, instead of using plus as a string concatenation, I have used the format. Let us try to search variable a, small case a, and it says that there are 5 occurrences. Okay. Split, I have already explained. So this is another style where I have used the placeholder and I have given the placeholder a name. I have given the name P, and in format I am saying P is equal to. So let's execute this and we get the same output which we got above. I want to find string. Okay, string where dot find string, and here we run that and it says that it found the word string at the first occurrence. If I say ring, it will say 2. Why? Because when I search string, S is at 0th character, T is at first character, and string was starting from the first character. Now when I said ring, R is at the second character index position. Note, indexing in Python starts from 0. Okay, here I had one more function, index. So I will say index. When I have index, I again get the value 2. Then what is the difference between find and index? Okay, let us try to search something which is not there. Okay, so ABC, 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 ABC. This is just a string. This is not a function. This is the function. This is a F string format. I hope you understand the different formatting style. This one is a plus for concatenation. This is a placeholder. This is a placeholder with a name. And this one is a F string, wherein the entire string, within the string, we using the Jinja templating style, we are giving the value also of a parameter. Okay. Okay, ABC is not found. It gives me -1. Let's see what happens with index function. ABC is not found. Index throws an exception. That is the difference between find and index. Similarly, you would have noted the difference between split and partition. These subtle differences you should be understanding. Now here is a replace. I want to replace the variable. So I want to replace the word variable by a space. Okay, when I run this, string manipulation, the variable is gone and the remaining part of the syntax, remaining part of the string is left. Variable has been replaced by an empty space. No character. Two single quotes are very adjoining to each other. And this is partition. We have already seen it. Partition returns 3 parts. Hope you understood this. Okay. Upcoming question is on list manipulation. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next session where we discuss list manipulations.